Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm painting this fluffy little Spitz dog, and I'll show you how I create the soft fur texture using oil paints. Okay, let's get started. So first I create a warm underpainting to build the base of light and shadow while checking the overall balance. If you are not used to this process, it's a good idea to start with a light sketch first. Squeeze out plenty of white onto your palette. Then mix it well using a palette knife. Now I'm roughly applying white to the highlight areas to separate the light from the shadow. It's probably too early to focus on small details like the eyes and mouth, but I recommend lightly sketching them to get a sense of the overall nuance. Don't be stingy with your paint, use plenty. That's the key to painting the way you want. When painting fur, start by thinking clumps rather than individual hairs. A common mistake for beginners is trying to paint each hair one by one, instead of working in sections. Once the painting starts to look somewhat three-dimensional, you can begin defining the finer details of the face, like the mouth and eyes. Add some color into the shadow areas to make them more vibrant and natural. Pick up the shadows falling under the face as well. Add a little highlight to the eyes. It's always the most exciting moment. Pick up the subtle variations of highlights within the dark eyes. I know I use my hands a lot, but you don't have to do the same. Make sure to define the edges clearly as well. Layer highlights on the most protruding areas to create a natural sense of volume. Now for the final touches. Try expressing the fluffiness of the fur in your own way. And there we have it. A super fluffy, realistic and adorable Spitz. Try finding your own way to express it as well. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!